Hi, pag-hi. Hey guys. So today it's December 22, 2025 and I'll go Christmas shop. Magpalit ako ng regalo para ka mama, ka papa, ka Ellie, and kay Iya. So nakuya think na regalo ka mama. I saw this cute sandal on the mall and I really think it suits her well. Tas ka papa kay, I think boxer shorts. I saw this on the mall too. Papa really likes comfy sleepwear, so I think this is a good idea. And then kay Iya, Iya loves anek-anek. Naisip ko to buy her phone chains. And then, kung ano pa yung makita ko dito sa store, ka Ellie loves Crocs so much and I can't afford the original one yet. So, manghanap ako ng class A na Crocs na pasok sa iya taste. So, let's go. I just want to show you my outfit. So, I'm wearing, it's a crop top nga. Siyang jacket. It's from Shein. And then, just the pants. Yeah, this is my outfit. Hi, vlog.
Tinda ka tayo. Ano ba lang yun?
Lodi ako FB10 lang. 15 ba ya? FB15 da ha?
May kwarta po.
Hi. Pag-bye.
Bye guys.
If I fall for you, I'll never recover. I'll never recover. Oh, I look pretty, huh? I love this. I love the lighting here. Guys, yung taba ako, guys. That's all. Bye. Okay, that's what I get. Ganon sa wasi ng cargo pants. So, ha? Inidakan. Thank you. Slip. Balik. Just got home. I'm currently here in my room. So, mag-haul kita ng what I bought today. Kaya magdiretso na ako pag-wrap. I am so excited! I love the lighting. Kabalo mo ano nice ang lighting there sa room ko. Kay... It's a big glass in front of me. I'm so happy! So, nganhito kita niya angle guys kay nice and nag-charge ako. The first one, this is Carlos gift to mama. I was the one who picked this. Para ko Ellie. Okay, let's remove the price. I was the one who picked this. So, basically, dapat bet ko sad guys. I could borrow ka Ellie. Kidding. No, cutie! So, galing yung card ko papa. Black Army. Ako, the detail. So, Tito Donald ng Carlo. Ah! Next, look. Let's remove the tag. So next is from me. This is what I bought kay Iya. Phone chain. Duwing may siya gapabati-bati. Kura dalang gapabungol-bungol na ako. Kaya I was planning to give it to her this Christmas. So, to Iya and Ate Ella and Ate Ellie. This is what I bought ka Papa. He loves comfy sleepwear and I think boxer shorts is one of them. Here na, let's put it here. This is my gift to my mom. So cute. to Mama from Kids. And this is what I bought to Ali. I know this is kind of cheap. This is not the original, but Ali, if you're going to watch this, I can't afford the original yet, but you know, it's the thoughts that count. Ba, dili siya luto, no? Class A na ba siya? We're going to do something funny. That's why I bought a lot of paper bags. Ay, per foot, kibali. Isang butangan ng dash. So, isa-isa kasi pagbutang. Ang isa nga ni Kapares. Nandiyan ang isa Kapares.
Kuya Carlo, hala. Ate, iyak na, iyak na. Ayaw, pagtanaw.
Dito ako mo tanaw. Ganita ko sa likod ko kami para makita ka, pero dito ako mo tanaw.
Okay na yun eh. Bumili ka. Ayaw, pagtanaw.
Dali ka na. Di ako, Bi.
Ayaw ko na yan, hay. Eh, dili yan masira. Ayaw, tanaw. Kay buko na makita.
Huwag ko sa tanaw.
Imamata kay lang. Gitanaw niya. Dati, ila. Ano magkugal.
Please do my Christmas. Please do my Christmas. And big new good Navidad. Merry Christmas. Merry Okay guys, Merry Christmas. It's 11:58. Merry Christmas, my love. 11:59 na! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Yeah. Vlog. Grab! Grab!
Yung na po.
Merry Christmas!
Okay, goodbye.
Try it.
Well, Kuya Carlos. Thank you. Early. We're both.
Pastor Iya, come here. Pati antay mo itay. Ano pa ni countdown? Ay, sakyan na ni Papa. Ayaw yun sa part yun. Dali, kita te. Pagdali, kita. Pagdali. Yo, Pastor, pagdali. Ay, wait, may sayo. My skater. Uyos na crocs. Pagdali. Pastor, iwan ang sakyanan.